Scene script. Have you ever paused to consider the enduring legacy of craftsmanship in our daily lives? Craftsmanship, the skilled creation of tangible artifacts, is a testament to human ingenuity and creativity. It is an art form that transcends time and culture, serving as a tangible connection to our past and an inspiration for the future. It's found in every corner of our lives, from the homes we live in, to the furniture we use, to the tools that aid us in our daily tasks. Craftsmanship is not just about creating objects of utility, it's an expression of cultural identity, a reflection of societal values, and a beacon of human spirit. It is a process that demands patience, precision, and passion. Craftsmen pour their heart and soul into their work, painstakingly perfecting every detail, every curve, every stroke. The beauty of craftsmanship lies in its ability to make the mundane magnificent. A simple table becomes a work of art, a mere chair transforms into a timeless piece, and a basic cabinet turns into a testament of skill. These are not just objects. They are stories etched in wood, tales told in stone, and narratives knitted in fabric. Craftsmanship is a dialogue between the artisan and the material, a conversation that results in creations that are as unique as the craftsmen themselves. It's a language that speaks of dedication, commitment, and the relentless pursuit of perfection. Craftsmanship is the legacy we inherit from the past and the gift we pass on to the future. It is a testament to the human capacity to create, to innovate, and to inspire. Every crafted object is a piece of history, a snapshot of a moment in time, a reflection of the craftsman's vision, and a tribute to their skill. Among the multitude of craftsmen who have left their indelible mark on this world, certain names resonate with an enduring echo. Their work has shaped our understanding of craftsmanship. Their legacy continues to inspire generations, and their influence permeates the realm of their respective crafts. One name that stands tall in the annals of craftsmanship is Thomas Chippendale. But who was he and why does he matter? Born in the year 1718, in the humble town of Otley, West Yorkshire, England, Thomas Chippendale's journey was far from ordinary. The son of a carpenter, young Thomas was immersed in the world of woodworking from an early age. His father's workshop was his playground, where every tool, every piece of wood, held the promise of a new creation. Growing up in a family that valued craft and skill, Chippendale was exposed to the art of furniture making in its most authentic form. It was here, amidst the sawdust and chisel marks, that Chippendale began to understand the intricate relationship between form and function, between the craftsman and his creation. As a young man, Chippendale left his hometown to pursue an apprenticeship in York. This was a time of exploration and learning for him. He honed his skills under the watchful eyes of his mentors, absorbing the traditions of the craft while also nurturing his own artistic vision. He learned to value precision, to appreciate the beauty of well-crafted joints, and to understand the importance of balance and proportion in furniture design. Chippendale's apprenticeship was more than just a phase of learning, it was a period of transformation. He emerged from it not just as a skilled craftsman, but as an artist with a unique vision. In 1754, armed with skills, experience, and an unyielding passion for his craft, Chippendale made the bold move to London. Here, he established his own workshop in St. Martin's Lane, a bustling hub of artists and craftsmen. This was no small feat. London was a city of opportunities, but it was also a city of competition. Yet, Chippendale was undeterred. He was ready to carve a niche for himself, ready to bring his vision to life. With his workshop set up, Chippendale was ready to leave his mark on the world. His journey had just begun, but little did he know, his creations would transcend time, influencing generations of craftsmen and leaving an enduring impact on the world of furniture design. Chippendale's work set him apart. His furniture was not just functional, but also works of art. The magic of Thomas Chippendale's craftsmanship lay in his ability to transform ordinary materials into extraordinary designs. His unique style, characterized by a blend of Rococo, Gothic, and Chinese influences, was revolutionary in the 18th century. Using predominantly mahogany, a wood prized for its strength and beautiful grain, Chippendale created pieces that were both durable and visually stunning. One of his most renowned creations is the director's chair, a masterpiece that perfectly encapsulates his ingenuity. Combining comfort with elegance, this chair was a marvel of its time, showcasing Chippendale's innovative use of the cabriolet leg. This design element, with its curves and intricate carvings, became a signature feature of his work. Another iconic piece that bears Chippendale's hallmark is the pier table. This piece exemplified his ability to balance function with aesthetics. With its elegant serpentine front and finely carved fretwork, the pier table was not just a practical furnishing, but a statement piece that reflected the owner's taste and sophistication. Chippendale was a master of detail. His designs often featured intricate carvings of leaves, shells, and flowers, demonstrating his keen eye for nature's beauty. He also showed a remarkable understanding of proportion, ensuring that every piece he created was harmonious and balanced. His innovative methods extended beyond design. Chippendale was a pioneer in the use of veneering, a technique that involves applying thin slices of wood to a core structure. This allowed him to play with different textures and patterns, further enhancing the aesthetic appeal of his creations. Chippendale's work was a testament to his skill and creativity. He was more than just a furniture maker. He was an artist, a visionary who pushed the boundaries of his craft. His designs were more than just furniture. They were a statement, a testament to his skill and creativity. Every piece he created was a celebration of his artistic vision, a tribute to his masterful craftsmanship, and a testament to his enduring legacy. The impact of Chippendale's work reverberates through time, influencing generations of craftsmen and women. How does one man's vision and craftsmanship echo through centuries, you may ask? Well, let's delve into that. Thomas Chippendale's designs were not just pieces of furniture, they were works of art. His unique style, a mix of Rococo, Chinese, and Gothic influences, was groundbreaking. His meticulous attention to detail and exquisite craftsmanship were unprecedented. These elements of his work set a new standard in furniture design, raising the bar for craftsmen far and wide. Indeed, Chippendale's influence is so vast that his name has become synonymous with high-quality, intricately designed furniture. His style has been replicated and reinterpreted countless times over the centuries. From the graceful curves of a Chippendale chair to the detailed carvings of a Chippendale chest, his influence is seen in pieces of furniture across the globe. But Chippendale's influence extends far beyond the realm of furniture design. His innovative approach to woodworking, his pioneering use of mahogany, and his commitment to quality have inspired countless craftsmen and women. They look to his work as a benchmark of excellence, striving to match his skill and creativity in their own creations. Chippendale's influence has not waned over the centuries. His designs continue to be celebrated and sought after. His work is still studied by students of design and craftsmanship, serving as a source of inspiration and a standard of excellence. His name continues to be a byword for quality and style in the world of furniture. So, when we speak of Chippendale's influence, we're not just talking about the replication of his designs. We're talking about the inspiration he provides, the standards he set, and the legacy he left behind. A legacy that continues to shape the world of woodworking and furniture design, even centuries after his time. Chippendale's legacy is not just in the pieces he created, but in the enduring inspiration he provides for artisans around the world. His influence is a testament to the power of craftsmanship and the timeless appeal of beautifully designed, well-made furniture. Over 3 centuries later, the name Thomas Chippendale still commands respect in the world of craftsmanship. This line is not merely a testament to the longevity of his work, but a salute to a legacy that has shaped the very fabric of furniture design. Born into humble beginnings, Chippendale rose to become a name synonymous with style, elegance, and unparalleled craftsmanship. His life was a canvas of creativity, each stroke reflecting his passion and dedication to his craft. From his early years in Yorkshire to his meteoric rise in London, Chippendale etched his name into the annals of history, not just as a craftsman, but as an artist. His masterpieces, each a blend of form and function, were not merely pieces of furniture. They were works of art. Chippendale's designs were a testament to his innovative spirit, his intricate detailing a signature of his commitment to excellence. He was a visionary, his designs far ahead of his time, yet timeless in their appeal. Chippendale's influence was far-reaching. His style was adopted by craftsmen across the globe, his designs serving as a template for excellence. He transformed the world of furniture design, infusing it with a level of artistry previously unseen. His works were not just aesthetically pleasing, they were functional, their design rooted in an understanding of the homeowner's needs. Chippendale's enduring legacy is evident in the countless pieces of furniture that bear his name. His designs continue to inspire, his vision still shaping the world of furniture design. His influence is not confined to the past, it is as relevant today as it was over 3 centuries ago. In the world of craftsmanship, Thomas Chippendale's legacy is as intricate and timeless as the pieces he created. His story serves as a beacon of inspiration, a testament to the power of creativity, dedication, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. Thomas Chippendale, a name that echoes through the corridors of time, a legacy that continues to inspire.